Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson in English Ace Channel.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about a very important and very common topic, our day.
Yes, we will talk about how to describe your day in English in a simple and natural way.
This is a great topic for beginners because everyone has a day and everyone can talk about what they do from morning to night.
Exactly. You can use this lesson to speak about your own daily routine, your work, your studies, or your free time.
And you can also use it in real conversations, interviews, or practice exercises.
Let's start from the beginning of the day.
Usually, I wake up in the morning and open my eyes.
Same here. I wake up, turn off my alarm, and get out of bed.
After that, I usually wash my face and brush my teeth.
I do the same. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and get ready for the day.
Then I change my clothes and have breakfast.
Breakfast is very important. I usually eat something simple, like toast, eggs, or cereal.
I agree. A good breakfast gives us energy for the whole morning.
After breakfast, I usually check my phone. What kind of plans do you make?
I usually write a small to-do list. I write the most important things I need to do during the day.
That is a very useful habit.
It helps me stay organized and focused.
In the morning, I like to have quiet time before I start working.
Me too. A calm beginning makes the rest of the day better.
Sometimes I listen to music or drink coffee before I start.
I prefer tea. I drink a cup of tea, and then I begin my tasks.
Nice. Let's move to the afternoon.
In the afternoon, I usually continue my work or study.
Yes, the afternoon is often the busiest part of the day.
That's true. Sometimes I have meetings, classes, or different tasks to complete.
During the afternoon, I often take a short break.
Breaks are important. I usually stand up, stretch, drink water, or walk around a little.
That helps the mind and body feel fresh. Exactly. If we work for too long without a break, we become tired and lose concentration.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually have lunch around midday. Sometimes I eat rice and chicken, sometimes a sandwich, and sometimes a light meal. Sounds good. I usually try to eat something healthy at lunch, too.
After lunch, I often continue my work or study.
Sometimes I also check messages, answer emails, or finish small tasks.
Yes, the afternoon is a good time to get many things done.
And if I have free time, I like to relax for a little while.
Me too. Sometimes I sit quietly, watch something short, or just rest my eyes.
Now, let's talk about the evening.
In the evening, I usually slow down and finish the last things on my list.
I often go home, clean up a little, and prepare for dinner.
Dinner is one of the best parts of the day.
I agree. After a long day, it feels nice to eat and relax.
Sometimes I cook dinner, and sometimes I just eat something simple.
What do you usually like to eat in the evening?
It depends on the day. Sometimes I eat pasta, sometimes soup, and sometimes vegetables with rice.
That sounds healthy.
After dinner, I usually sit for a while and relax.
I also like to sit down and enjoy some quiet time after dinner.
Yes, the evening is perfect for resting after a busy day.
Some people go for a walk in the evening.
That's true. A short walk can be very refreshing.
Other people spend time with family or friends. Speaking of podcasts, this is a good time to practice English.
Definitely. Listening in the evening can help learners improve their English every day.
Now, let's move to the night.
At night, I usually prepare for bed.
First, I clean up my space a little.
Then I brush my teeth again, wash my face, and change into pajamas.
I do the same. After that, I like to relax for a few minutes before sleeping.
Sometimes I read a book or think about the next day.
That is a good habit. I also like to prepare for tomorrow.
For example, I choose my clothes, organize my bag, and check my schedule.
That makes the next morning easier.
Exactly.
Then I turn off the lights and go to bed.
I also try to sleep early so I can wake up with energy the next day.
Good sleep is very important.
Yes, it helps us feel healthy, focused, and happy.
Now, let's practice some useful sentences.
Great idea. Our viewers can repeat after us.
I wake up early in the morning.
I brush my teeth after waking up.
I have breakfast at home.
I start my work after breakfast.
I take a short break in the afternoon.
I have lunch around noon.
I finish my work in the evening.
I relax after dinner.
I prepare for bed at night.
I go to sleep early.
Very good. Now, let's make the sentences a little longer.
Sure.
After I wake up, I wash my face, brush my teeth, and have breakfast.
After breakfast, I start my work and try to stay focused.
In the afternoon, I take a short break and drink some water.
After that, I continue working or studying until evening.
In the evening, I have dinner and spend time relaxing.
At night, I get ready for bed and prepare for the next day.
That is a full day in English.
Yes, and it is very useful to know how to describe it. Let's ask our viewers a few questions.
Great! What time do you wake up?
What do you usually do in the morning?
What do you eat for breakfast?
What do you do in the afternoon?
How do you spend your evening?
What is your night routine?
Do you work, study, or both?
Do you relax with music, books, or TV?
Do you sleep early or late?
Write your answer in the comments. We would love to read it.
Let's review the most important vocabulary from today.
Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
Wake up, brush my teeth, have breakfast, work,
Study, break, lunch.
dinner, relax, prepare for bed.
Go to sleep.
Excellent.
Great job, everyone.
Remember, you can use these sentences to talk about your own day.
Just change the details to match your life.
That is the best way to learn.
Practice every day, and you will improve little by little.
Thank you for watching our lesson today.
We hope you enjoyed it and learned something useful.
Keep practicing your English.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.